Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 8 features that will change the way you see WhatsApp and the way you use WhatsApp. Did you know that you can send an application through WhatsApp? Stick till the end so you can know how. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Because we're up to the phones, let's get started. Underscore And the time all of you guys have been waiting for, send an application or game through WhatsApp. Just click this attach button down here, then click on document, then select your zipped file or APK that you want to send. I'll select this one, then click on send. See, simple as that. But to send a zipped file, you'll need an application like ZArchiver to compress the app into a zipped file. Or if you don't want to send a zipped file, send an APK. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up.